Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to grow your nails longer, faster and healthier in just 3 days. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. This home remedy, you need 2 ingredients. The first one is coconut oil. Here I'm taking this Parachute 100% pure coconut oil. You can take any brand of coconut oil which is available at your home. And the second thing is cotton. You need only these 2 things and you are good to go. So friends, basically what you have to do, take few drops of coconut oil. You have to do this regularly before going to sleep at night. You have to take few drops of coconut oil like this and then massage it on your whole nail, on your cuticles, tip of your nails, inside out, and like totally on your nails like this. On your all nails, you just have to massage this coconut oil like this. Take cotton and then wrap it up like this. Do it on your all fingers. This, you have to wrap your nails in it. This is because cotton helps you in moisture and then it will gonna help you in growing your nails faster and healthier. You have to leave it like this for overnight. Beauties, you have to do this ritually like for 1 week, and in just 1 week, actually in just 3 days, after 3 days you will start seeing the difference that your nails are growing and they are become very shiny, clean and stronger too. So beauties, just do this. Apply coconut oil, massage it every night before going to sleep, wrap it with cotton and leave it like this for overnight. Friends, let me tell you, this home remedy, I shared it with my friends, relatives, and they all are like, this is something mind-blowing. This will gonna change your life. Trust me, if you are addicted to long nails, then this home remedy is perfect for you. Just go and try this at home and don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. If you have any query regarding this video, just comment it and I'm surely gonna answer it for you. What are you waiting for? Just go and try this and trust me, you will gonna love it. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.